In JavaScript array, how you can recognize an array is basically by a square brackets. Okay, that's mostly used. And then let's say we have a variable of new tests. Okay, new test as this. All right, and then I'm saying I'm having this right now. Okay, so when I try to log out this CLG, that's considered log, and then I'm gonna say new tests and then dot okay, type of new test rather. Let's say this new test can actually be anything at all, even if you want actually to type of A. Okay, it can just be anything at all. I'm just using this as a variable, as you all know. Okay, I'm just gonna say type of A. Okay, so it's gonna give me an object, but that particular object is actually what an array. Okay, what do I mean? All right, so we know that normal object is actually the one that has to do with what the curly braces. Okay, that's how you can recognize a normal object in in JavaScript. Okay, but array is actually a type of an object in JavaScript. Okay, so this is how you can be able to, this is how you can know the know an array when it comes to JavaScript. Now, how can we now input some values inside that particular array? So array can take any value at all. It can even take up an object as a value. Okay, you can take up a string, you can take up a number, you can take up a boolean. All right, so let's say we have right now we have, let me just say this particular array contains list of cars. Okay, let's say Volvo, let's say BMW. Okay, let's say which other one, just a normal Jeep. Okay, and then let's say it has these three cars inside of this array. And then when we try to consider like this array, it gives us basically all of these. Okay, in objects, when we try to get the first value of an object, or rather the value of an object, we do something like remember, an object we have a key and a value, so we do something like a dot the key. Okay, in that our object. So if you are new in this channel, just go ahead and check out our previous video in JavaScript objects, so that you can be able to follow suit what is really happening right now. Okay, and then if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do go ahead and make sure you hit the subscribe button. Okay, and you can also go and share to your friends. Thank you so much. So let's continue. I was saying that in object, for you to really get a value of an object, you must have to go ahead and say a dot key. Okay, key can be the same way we have, let's say is an object variable of C is an object, and then it has this, so it must have a key followed by what the value. So you're gonna say C dot key for it display what the particular value. All right, so in this our array, it doesn't really work like that. Okay, if you want to display the first character or any character at all, any word at all in this array, you have to go ahead and put it inside array tag also. I cannot say a index of 0. So this particular thing means index of. Okay, this particular thing here means what? Index of. So when we say a index of 0 here in this array, because array does not count start counting from 1 to 3. No, it starts counting from 0, 1, and then go onward. All right, so this Volvo here right now is going to be considered as a 0 index. Okay, and BMW is going to be considered as what? 1 index, and then the Jeep is going to be considered as what? The number 2 index. Okay, so basically there are actually 3 cars here, but it is see the index of what? 2, meaning what? 0, 1, 2. So this Volvo is what? 0, this BMW is what? 1, and then this Jeep is what? 2. So when you say console.log a index of what? 0, it goes ahead and gives you the first this thing, the first car here, which basically was the Volvo, as you can see here now. Okay, so that's how you can go about it. Even if you want to check the second one, you can just say if it's the third one that what I check for, you can just say a index of what? 2, and it's really gonna give you the last one, which basically our Jeep there. Okay, so that's basically how you can see the individual values of your particular array. So let's say you want to get the length of the whole array. Okay, what are you gonna do? Just the same thing, just say a dot length, and then it goes ahead and gives you the net is basically 3. Okay, so as you can see, the length of this goes 3. So 1, 2, 3. But when it starts counting from index, it goes ahead and say 0, 1, 2. Okay, that's how this particular array works. So we see more on array right in the next video. See you there. Thank you.